Hello, Algebra 1B students. For Mr. Fry, we're looking at the box and whisker plot interpreting paper. You guys did these in class. And actually, I don't know what the heck that was. Oh, 75%. I don't know what that little zero was there. Okay, so some of these I didn't add a percent to. I was just doing it real quickly. They did it in class. And you could jot those down and try to understand those. These were done in class. I'm not going to repeat these. For number 5, do you think that this test was too hard for the students? Explain. No, good, because many scored very high on this test. The majority of the students scored very high on this test. Okay. You want the average usually to be around a C, so it could have been it was not too hard for the students, obviously. Okay, and then you have this data. CBD cannot be determined. How many sophomores do not do homework? You really couldn't tell that from this. This just tells you the average minutes per night spent on homework. It's not telling me how many sophomores are doing anything. So that's just that box and whisker plot is that's the only information that's given me, so I can't determine number 9. But there's the other numbers there for you for what you guys discussed in class. You also discussed these in class, and we split these up. Each section is 25%. Each section is 25%. Remember, these are the minutes that are listed here in the TV and homework minutes per night, and you're looking at those two different graphs. And then here are your answers for those. Once again, these were done in class, so you could pause this and jot those down and understand a little bit more. For number 14, there was 1 hour on homework, 25%, 1 hour on TV was 50%, and so it is more common to spend more than 1 hour on TV because 50% is more than 25%. Remember that one in class? We started to go through these true or false. I'm going to pick it up at 18 because that's where we left off for homework. 15% of the sophomores didn't watch TV that month, and that could not be determined. In general, these sophomores spend more time watching TV than doing homework. Yes, that is true. The TV data is more varied than the homework data. That is true. That means there's a wider spread in your distribution. Number 21, the ratio of sophomores who spend more than 110 minutes per night watching TV to those who spend less is about 2 to 1. Actually, it's about 1 to 4, so that is false. Sophomores, 225 sophomores watch TV, that is false. And twice as many sophomores watch TV for more than 1 hour than do homework for more than 1 hour. And that could not be determined because we don't know how many of those sophomores for more than 1 hour. Let's see, that would be 60. So twice as many sophomores watch TV for more than 1 hour than do homework for more than 1 hour. Yeah, that way I guess we could determine that because that's 50%. I kind of didn't really pay attention to that one very well. So this would be the TV, so that's 50%. So it doesn't matter. We don't need to know exactly the number. We just the percentage is twice as much. So this is 50%, and this is for more than 1 hour doing homework. That's only 25%. So that would be true. So yes, we can determine that, and that should be true for number 23. I thought that one looked weird. So hopefully this helps, and we'll move on to other graphing data tomorrow, I'm sure.